There might be a little hint behind us of what
No
it
hint,
is.
but
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to Halfway Kicks. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment if you want. Also, follow us on our Instagram page, halfway_kicks. My name is AJ, and you can find me on my Instagram at ArnettJason.
I am Bendo, JBendo15 on IG. Today, we got a little special unboxing. Today, something we've been waiting for. It's a retro, so we are going to show you. Let's start off with the box, man. The box is beautiful. Might be the best feature of the shoe again.
Yeah.
So
I'm really liking these yellow renditions of these Jordan boxes.
But if you don't know what these are the AiR Jordan 4 Tour Yellow, aka Lightning.
I told you there was a hint.
Alright, let's get to it, man. So,
oh no, we're not gonna do that.
I can't do that, my voice don't go that way, but nubuck on the top, that yellow, herringbone on the sole, the black netting right here, that smells great.
I know you like to see when I smell shoes, so you know. It smells good.
So these were released, I believe, in 2006, and it was super special, and it was only available on Jumpman23.com. And I think I just showed my age when I mentioned that, but Tour Yellow AiR Jordan 4.
So did you own these before?
I did not, and that's why I was so excited. These are almost, to me, grail type kicks, just because it was so hard to get. But I am glad that they re-released it now, and we are able to get our hands on them.
Yeah, you were able to get 2 of them.
One for me, one for you.
Which
hey,
I luck out when he gets extra pairs because we were the same size.
yes, sir. But yeah, man, these are nice. These are very nice.
These are actually really nice.
I like how there's different on the nubuck. There's different type of nubuck depending on where it lays.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so it's not all just like one solid shoe.
Yeah, Air Jordan 4s are just easy to work with, man. Like if you want to look good wearing some clothes, like these match with almost any outfit.
Shorts, jeans,
they look good with both.
Joggers, sweats.
Yeah, man, these are. There's nothing you can say. They're just nice, and it's like I think it has to be a for sure piece in your arsenal.
Price is $220.
$220 retail.
Resale, I think they're like $320, $340. Go get you a pair. That's all I can say.
And let us know in the comments if you already got your pair.
And get your kids a pair too. Alright?
Okay, so you got 3 pairs.
Alright, 3 pairs.
You won 3. But yeah, let us know in the comments below if you got yourself a pair, if you're going to pay resale for them. I think these are, you know, given that resale is not that much higher, I would probably pay resale for these.
Yeah, if I wasn't fortunate enough to get 3 pairs.
Yeah. Okay, quick question though. These or the pollen?
These.
Yeah, 100%.
These.
Stick around to the end of the video because we're going to have a little B-roll action.
Yes, that is it, right?
That is going to be it for this video, so we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Welcome back to Halfway Kicks. Okay, let's start over. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to Halfway Kicks. Okay. Peace. How'd you feel about it?
I think it got better when we started getting
Yeah.
older.